10 News Ozarks First.
It was super hot in Summery yesterday. 92 degrees was that high temperature in Springfield, 91 in Branson, 93 in Harrison. We hit 95 in Mountain Home. That average is 79, so we're much above average for this time of September, a stretch that we've been in since last week. Temperatures in the middle and upper 80s. We've had 2 days of 90s, have been much above average. We'll bring in another day of 90-degree heat before things come down with a cold front. Keeping track of how many 90-degree days we've had so far this year, we're at 63 in Springfield. That yearly average is 35, so we're at 180% of normal. That's nearly double the average for days at 90 or warmer. The most in a year was 86 back in 1954, none recorded in 1906. The latest that we've seen a 90-degree day in Springfield was back on October 11th, October 28th for Harrison, so ranging from middle to late October for the Ozarks for this extreme heat lingering. But it looks like, as we look at some long-term forecast, things are really going to nosedive as we head through that first week of October. It's 75 in Branson. We'll have sunshine right now. It's calm. Dew points are still very sticky out there this morning. It's 74 in Rolla, 75 in Ava, and 75 in Branson here this morning. We've got very humid conditions here on the Muggy meter. We've got this southerly flow. It's pushing that hot and humid air mass into the Ozarks. It will continue to be hot and humid until a cold front knocks it down. The cold front is well north here this morning. It's bringing rain to the Dakotas, to Minnesota, and to Iowa here. It's going to slowly sag south as we head through the day today, not arriving in the Ozarks until Friday. That's where we'll have that cold front come through with showers, storms, and a big temperature tumble. Until then, things stay quiet and hot. Mostly sunny this afternoon. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds later on. An isolated shower will be possible, but for the most part, we should stay dry. That heat index will also be approaching 100. You can see future cast, again, not painting a totally wet picture. It does look like most of us will keep some of these drier conditions very similar to yesterday. Overnight, clouds increase, and then by mid-morning to early afternoon, we could have a couple of these showers already starting to filter in. Could have some embedded, isolated cases of rumbles of thunder, and then we'll keep some spotty showers and thunder as we head through the afternoon. 80 for that high in Springfield, much cooler than it will be today. And then things start to focus south. The front's going to stroll to the south along that Missouri-Arkansas border, so things will stay a little bit more wet there as we head through the weekend. As this front strolls south, it could pull in a lot of moisture right around that front, so then we're looking at a locally heavy rain threat pretty much from the state line and then south into Arkansas. That's where we could see some more locally heavy downpours. For the rest of us, things stay a little bit more showery, kind of on and off, some light rain here and there. And then if you go even farther north up towards Lake of the Ozarks, you might even get a little bit more in the way of sunshine. The rain forecast is really reflecting this. We're looking at maybe 1 or 2 inches for parts of northern Arkansas, and then things really taper off as you go north, not seeing nearly as much rain up around Lake of the Ozarks. Temperature is going to tumble for everyone, though. 91 today, 80 tomorrow, and then only 69 on Saturday. Clouds, rain, cool air, really going to keep things pretty chilly. 73 on Sunday. We try to come back up on Tuesday with the temperatures, but then another cold front will knock things right back down. 91 degrees today. We'll have a steady south wind, isolated shower possible. 72 overnight. We increase the cloud cover. Cold front comes through tomorrow. Winds shift to the north as we get that cold front to come through. Mostly cloudy and cooler with some scattered showers and thunder. We'll keep that rain around on Saturday, 69. Showers really shift south on Sunday. Most of us should wind up being dry, 73 degrees. A chance of storms returns Monday and Tuesday.